Going over the trade on the day was Tick Pulse. It was a nice trade, capturing it at the lows today. Tick Pulse usually captures momentum. The broader market was moving higher, and the NASDAQ sold off, then the NASDAQ reversed. And so it's like it bought the dip on momentum reversal. Kind of a momentum reversal for Tick Pulse today, plus 83.90 on two trades. Equity peaks in the portfolios today. You see plus 14,675 on the 200K portfolio, plus 43.25 on the 50K portfolio. We were in an $11,700 drawdown as we came in today from yesterday's trade. Last week we were down about 8,000. Yesterday we were down around 3,000. Overall down around 11,700 after a big 48K week the previous week. And so we were in this drawdown and we bounced back, surpassing that by almost 3K. So new equity peaks by almost $3,000 on the day on the 200K portfolio. Like I said, the 50K portfolio is up as well, 43.25. This is for the combination of the stock index portfolio MIT plus Blitz. The stock index portfolio 18 is at equity peaks, 97.05. The Blitz is up 55.92. The risk reward would still favor the stock index portfolio MIT plus Blitz, because this would be at an equity peak and this would not. But I'll go back and make sure and send out an email if there is an adjustment. Tomorrow is the last trading day of the week for us, since the stock market is closed on Thursday and it's open half a day on Friday. We don't trade on those days. And so the futures stay open until noon on Thursday, and they stay open until noon on Friday as well. And so these are the trading system signals for Thursday, November the 22nd, 2022. One trading day left before the Thanksgiving holiday. These are the trades for the NASDAQ futures. Like I said, Tick Pulse plus 83.90 on two contracts. Tick Reversal minus 11.90 on two contracts. Cobra 3 plus 27.50 on two contracts. Tick Pullback captured this move all day, plus 51.30 on two contracts. And then Viper 2021 plus 3,100 on two contracts. Tick Count Trend plus 34.50 on two contracts. Took three trades here, two trades there. AT 2022 tried to get short, lost on the day, minus 22.50 on two contracts. And E-mini S&P profitable on Cobra 3 plus 575, and then minus 625 on Tick Fader. Let's look at the Blitz strategies. Momentum reversal down the day, minus 24.50 on two contracts. EVP1 tried to go short as well, and so that is down minus 14.20 on two contracts, and 36.50 on VTNQ. Zigzag up on the day, 13.75, and then these three S&P strategies did really well. Parabolic VSD up plus 1,300 on two contracts. Adaptive moving average, after getting chopped up the last 2 days, is up 43.50 on two contracts. On adaptive moving average, 2023 is also up. Same trade, stayed long all day, plus 43.50 on two contracts after being chopped up for 2 days in a row. I will go over the portfolio calculator and come back and see if there are any adjustments that need to be made, and just trade the stock index portfolio 18. We had a massive plummet in the VIX. The VIX plummeted while stocks did not exactly surge. They moved higher and we were long most of the day. So I will go over the portfolio calculator and get back to you. We had a 4-day VIX divergence and 3 out of 4 on the S&P. You can see the VIX plummeting today. Stocks, NASDAQ only up 1.34%, S&P up 1.29%. So not huge, not a huge gain. The S&P is over 4,000. And let's take a look at where it is in reference. I think that this, you see these melt-up rallies around the holidays. And so let's take a look back at the daily charts as well. So here's the NASDAQ daily chart. It's still in this range. The market rallied. It held its rally. It stayed. It's kind of in the lower end of this range. It has room to continue to move higher or lower. Either way, we can take long or short trades the day before Thanksgiving, I think. Seems like there's tends to move higher. I have to look back and verify that. But there tends to be rallies around this time of year, around the end of the year, around Thanksgiving and around Christmas, and the idea of not shorting a dull market and light volume gets pushed up by the bulls, and so a lot of room to run on the upside after this VIX divergence and after holding this high here. That's the NASDAQ. Let's look at the S&P. Same thing on the S&P, has room to run and move higher here. We see this obvious trend line, and oftentimes those obvious trend lines get disrupted. The it doesn't usually stay that nice and neat. It might go here before it goes here. If it's going to go down, the bear market rally could come up to here, somewhere between the trend line and here. The symmetry of this trend line is often broken when it starts to look this obvious, and so that could be something to watch for, a rally between the break of this trend line and before it rolls over again. If it rolls over again, we are short-term traders. We are flat at the end of the day. We have one full trading day left this week, and we will be flat at the close tomorrow. Here is a daily chart of the VIX. You can see it has closed that gap, so something to watch for. Precipitous plummet in the VIX, and once again, these are the trading system results. Live results here versus hypotheticals here after this drawdown we came out of for Tuesday, November the 22nd, 2022.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.